I've been coming here with my dad for like a long time. He always gets his truck serviced here, and I've always wanted to work on trucks, so Mark told me about the opportunity and I took it. I actually work in the part of Blanchard that is RIG360. We actually work on not just Caterpillar anymore, so we actually work on Cummins, PACCAR, sometimes Detroit diesels and all that. So it's not just Blanchard Cat for us. We actually do pretty much everything. And we also work on our company trucks and make sure that they're up to date too. There's always opportunity for growth within the company. You can start off as a technician and always work your way up to become a manager if you want. You can always switch between jobs. So if you wanted to start at RIG360 and then move to like compact or driving, or move down to Columbia and become part of the spec shop, you could do that. My goal is actually to move up within RIG360, and someday I would like to possibly become a manager one day. I'm 21 years old. I've been working for Blanchard for about a year, and I would encourage young people to be able to come here because you have a lot of opportunity to move up in the company. You have great people that you can work with, and I just enjoy what I do every day.